It's greetings, everybody from Greenville, South Carolina. It's your boy, Dr. Brian Lester, guys. Today is Saturday, March 29th,
That's the
2025.
Network Southern Heritage Unit.
And the time is currently 10 o'clock a.m. in the morning. The time is currently 10 a.m. in the morning. I'm at this big lot just right up Highway 146. And it's located at 2131 Orchard Road, Greenville, South Carolina, 29607. And it's open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. And it's open on Sundays from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. It's a 4.2 out of 5 star. Back in 8 years
Mikey.
ago. Yeah, I know.
That's another heritage unit.
Yeah, I see it. Where's that at? It's in the right closet.
This Venus of SD-78 had a bit of an incident. And resulting in damaged front handrails or steps.
That's typical big closet.